Everything is state of mind.
It is a very good idea if you come first. What will happen if you come late? Sorry?
Bad impression.
One is impression, very good. What about the other one? That is the impression, right? What will go inside your mind? Let's say I'm late, right?
Whole class is disturbed. So everyone intends
Now I will read properly in this thinking. Because people will be looking at me, I'll be very confused. I'll pretend that no one's looking at me. Then finally after a few while, and let's say someone says, Tapas, what I just came. So that's one of the things that might happen, right? So when you come late, a lot of things will happen. You would not know what's going on there, right? Like for example, how did you feel when you came to the college on the first day? How was it?
Uneasy. Different people.
Full of fear.
Yes.
कैसे होंगे लड़के?
कैसे होंगे क्लासमेट्स कैसे लोग
So most of the time we have this fear who's going to be how, right? If I come first, if I sit in a position that's before, so what I do, I know how the class smells or the auditorium smells before anyone enters, right? How are the curtains? Where I'm sitting, I'm able to adjust myself. Because when you sit in the beginning, how did you feel when you came? Whatever it is. You see people coming, you become senior. Now you're in a position above the college mein. So your walk is different, not the way you walk, the way you walked on the first day. Right? It's a very good idea that you come first. We join as a tour that come at least 15 minutes or half an hour before. And if it's a trip like abroad or somewhere outside, then obviously you need to come like at least an hour before, right? So that you can get used to the laptop and other facility and whatever it is. So that's something that you need. So make sure that you come early. And there are a lot of things, that goes, you get used to the sounds, there's vibration, temperature, atmospheric pressure. You don't know, these play within inside you, subconsciously. So that's what you need to do.